Hello there. My name is Raul Ribas Jr., a 37 years old resident of Bohol, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. I currently serve as a plant manager of a water utilities company, overseeing water treatment facilities, and also as a construction manager for pipe laying project. My role requires me to work around clock, managing the operation of the water treatment process and dedicating over 10 hours daily related construction work. I am applying for the estimator position in your company because I'm bringing 14 years of experience in project management, project scheduling, budgeting, estimating, CAD drafting. I am passionate about further development my skills, and I believe that your company provides the ideal environment to do so. I'm eager to explore opportunities abroad, and I believe that this role will allow me to grow professionally while contributing effectively to your team. Looking ahead, I envision myself 5 years from now more skilled, enthusiastic, and accomplished. And I'm excited about the opportunity to join your company, learn more, and make a positive impact. Thank you and God bless.